Hi, my name is Joe Shannon, and I work at a firm called Shannon Law Group with some very talented people. So our firm represents people that are catastrophically injured in bad collisions, and a lot of times they demand some expertise. What I asked one of our attorneys, Patrick Cummings, to do was to really delve into this area of law during his practice. And during his years of practice, he's gotten repeated exposure to these cases. And in fact, I asked him if he'd be kind enough to write a book so that we could send it to our clients and our friends so they know exactly what's going on with these cases. And he did. He wrote a book called Avoiding a Trucking Nightmare. The good thing about this book is that you can download it from our website, but we'll also send you a copy of it. But hey, better than that, we have Patrick with us today to talk about some trucking litigation and trucking cases. So I'm hopeful that you'll enjoy this session. Your loved one's involved in a bad crash. They're recuperating. They're getting a lot of calls from the truck driver's insurance company. Number one, what do you say? Do you think that they should talk to them and record a statement with them?
No. The insurance company adjuster for the trucking company is never, well, in my experience, has never once been out to try to help the client. And they may say, listen, we're going to cover your medical bills. We want to make sure that you're taken care of. The reality is they're not looking to give you more money. Okay. They're looking to keep as much of it in their pockets as possible. And while they may be friendly and they may be good people, their job is with the insurance company. And so anything that you say in a recorded statement or just over the phone with them is something that they may try to use against you ultimately down the road in your litigation.
Well, this is a two-way street. I've often had folks, from these insurance companies for these big trucking companies contact me and say, listen, hey, we want to take a recorded statement of your client. And I usually would say, well, listen, I'd like to take a recorded statement of your client, the truck driver, and I want to look at all the records that he created before the crash. I want to look at all these things, without the benefit of a subpoena, all this kind of stuff. And I'm batting zero on that. Absolute 000. They've never, ever let me do that. So why would we allow our client to basically show all the cards when they're not going to show any to me? I mean, does that make sense to you, Patrick?
Yeah, and I think that's part of the reason why when we get a case, we just try to get it on file as soon as possible. So we get in line and then we don't even have to deal with that. We just have the court's backing to help us get the documents we need.
Well, thank you so much, Patrick. I really appreciate you taking time. And again, thanks for writing your book. It's called Avoiding a Trucking Nightmare, What You Need to Know After a Truck-Related Injury. And it's simple to read. It's a good resource, and you can pick it up at shannonlawgroup.com. You should also, if you like the information that we're providing to you, you should subscribe to our YouTube channel at Shannon Law Group. So I hope you enjoyed this taping, and we look forward to hosting more of these tapes in the future. Thank you very much.